All right, I want to get back to the severe weather now. Strong winds around the region this evening, power outages and storm damage. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco is live in Chicopee tonight. And Nick, I can see already that there is some damage right there behind you.
Hey, yeah, the storm did quite a bit of damage here in Chicopee. We are on Rochester Street right now. I'm going to step out of the way here. You can see a tree was knocked down here. Utility crews are currently working on it as we speak right now. Luckily, it looks like it just missed this car right here. But again, right behind that car, wires are down and a tree has fallen. Not quite sure if it's the entire tree, but at least several large branches have fallen here because of those strong gusty winds that storm brought just about a half hour to 45 minutes ago now. Again, this is Rochester Street in Chicopee. Crews are currently working on it right now. As of right now, it looks like no one was hurt from this damage. But again, that's exactly what can happen here with those strong gusty winds. Storms move through this area, bringing down many trees, many power lines, this whole entire street right now. Again, Rochester Street is without power because of those utility lines down right now, but crews are currently working on the situation as we speak. Thousands are without power around the area, and again, Rochester Street here in Chicopee is one of them without power this evening. We're live in Chicopee. Nick Oresco, 22 News.